Rhapis is a genus of about 10 to 15 species of small palms native to southeastern Asia. The genus can be divided into two groups, the Chinese group which are native to Taiwan and mainland China, and the Indo-Chinese group which are found around Thailand and Laos. Some of these genus are There are also variegated as well as potted miniature versions of these palms, found especially in Japan. The species are commonly known as lady palms, since their deeply divided leaflets look like separate entities and create the illusion of fingers in a hand. Several species are cultivated as ornamental plants, of which Rhapis Excelsa is the most common. This plant was listed by NASA as one of the best plants for removing toxins from the air. Rhapis Excelsa is the most ideal potted palms in cultivation. It is an easy plant to propagate both by division and seed production. This plant can be found at nearly every garden outlets. It is a dioecious genus of palms, meaning there are male plants and female plants, and require both plants for successful pollination. Lady palms can be propagated by division or seed. In general, Rhapis are very easy to grow plants, just water, soil and a warm climate is required for them to thrive, though many of the genus can tolerate freezing temperatures and direct sunshine. These plants do impressively in low light and indoor situations, hence they can be considered as a good garden plant. Rhapis is a suckering species, meaning they spread via underground runners in all directions. In most gardens, spread is slow and easy to control. They can also be potted, but the spreading nature is hindered here. The solution is by dividing or by moving to a larger pot. These palms are kept by gardeners around the world for their beauty and adaptability to a wide range of conditions. They can be kept as good indoor plants as well as landscape plants.
Please hit the like, subscribe and bell icon if you like our videos.